Welcome to our exploration of Dubai, a city renowned for its blend of modernity and rich cultural heritage. In this video, we will guide you through the top 10 experiences that encapsulate the essence of this dynamic city. 1. Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. With a height of 828 meters, 2,717 feet, it is an architectural marvel and a symbol of Dubai's rapid development. The Burj Khalifa has the world's highest outdoor observation decks which offer breathtaking views of Dubai. There are 3 public observation decks, levels 124 and 125, and the Sky Lounge on level 148. The ticket price starts from $46 for levels 124 and 125. However, if you want to visit the exclusive Sky Lounge on level 148, the price starts at $122. Here's a little tip from me. If you want to take a great selfie with the Burj Khalifa, the best place is on the Souk Al Bahar Bridge, which links the Dubai Mall and Time Out Market Dubai. 2. Dubai Fountain. Dubai Fountain is right in front of the Dubai Mall, and is located on the Burj Khalifa Lake. It's the world's largest choreographed fountain system. It offers daily evening shows from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. every 30 minutes, and the show itself runs for about 5 minutes. The show is free to watch, but you can pay 65 United Arab Emirates dirhams per person for the Dubai Fountain Lake ride for more exclusive experience. 3. Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina is a dynamic and exciting destination for tourists, providing a mix of entertainment, relaxation, and exploration. It's a place where you can savor the pleasures of urban life while enjoying scenic waterfront views and a variety of activities. It offers great walking routes to marvel at stunning views of the water and the impressive residential towers. You can also take various cruises or try water sports activities like jet skiing, parasailing, and more. As a culinary hotspot of Dubai, it offers wide range of bars, clubs, and entertainment options. 4. Global Village. Global Village is a fascinating destination that hosts 27 country pavilions where you can explore unique cultural treasures. It offers over 200 shows and performances every day. You can also experience a wide range of cuisines from different countries and buy beautiful souvenirs from each pavilion. The entry is 27 United Arab Emirates dirhams per person if you purchase online, and you can enter Global Village at a weekday special price from Sunday to Thursday excluding public holidays. Whether you're looking for a cultural exploration, a shopping spree, or a gastronomic adventure, Global Village in Dubai has something for everyone. 5. Dubai Aquarium. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo is one of the most captivating attractions in Dubai, located at the Dubai Mall. It's home to thousands of aquatic animals, comprising over 140 species. The aquarium holds 10 million liters of water and is one of the largest indoor aquariums in the world. It showcases one of the most diverse collections of aquatic life. The Underwater Zoo brings visitors up close with penguins, piranhas, crabs, water rats, seahorses, jellyfish, and more. If you are up for more adventure, the aquarium offers series of diving experiences. From interacting with small clawed Asian otters to sharing the water with sharks and rays, there's surely a memorable moment to be made. A regular pass is 199 United Arab Emirates dirhams per person, which gives you access to the aquarium tunnel, Underwater Zoo, Penguin Cove, and nursery. For 299 United Arab Emirates dirhams per person, you can have ultimate experience. This includes all the benefits of the regular pass, plus a submersible simulator, aqua feast, fish feeding, glass boat tour, and more. It is open every day, with last entry at 10:15 p.m. on Monday to Friday and 11:15 p.m. on Saturday to Sunday. But remember, you can enjoy a part for free, too. From Dubai Mall, a part of aquarium is open to public and it is mesmerizing. So whether you buy the pass or not, you can still enjoy the largest aquarium in the world. And there you have it, folks. Those were the top 5 things to do in the vibrant city of Dubai. From the stunning views at the Burj Khalifa to the rich cultural experiences at the Global Village, and the mesmerizing marine life at the Dubai Aquarium, there's truly something for everyone in this city. Remember, this list is just the tip of the iceberg. Dubai is a city that's constantly evolving, and there's always something new and exciting to explore. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a foodie, a culture enthusiast, or a shopaholic, Dubai will never cease to amaze you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips. Also, feel free to share your own experiences and recommendations in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay intrigued.